The Thomas Hirchak Company presents the live foreclosure auction of 1194 U.S. Route 4, Canaan, New Hampshire. Fantastic opportunity to acquire a commercial property on Route 4 in Canaan, New Hampshire, ideally positioned near the intersection of Route 118. This property sits on 0.01 acres and was previously operated as a restaurant and bakery with seating for approximately 24 guests. Some existing equipment and furnishings will convey with the sale, offering a head start for food service operators, cafe owners, or investors looking for a turnkey commercial space. The building features 14-foot by 18-foot outdoor deck with space for customer seating, a takeout service window with access via side steps, forced hot air furnace, 2 mini split units, and central air conditioning, existing commercial countertops, lighting, large front-facing windows, and updated interior-exterior finishes, as well as commercial-grade tile flooring throughout, lower-level storage area for supplies or equipment, and roof and structural updates completed in 2009 and 2010. Prime regional location, located minutes from places like Canaan Street Lake, Cardigan Mountain School, recreation areas, parks, and athletic fields, and it is near Lebanon, Hanover, Enfield, and the Dartmouth Lake Sunapee region. Situated on a well-traveled commuter and tourism corridor, this property benefits from steady traffic headed to local businesses, hospitals, mountain recreation areas, and shopping destinations. Ideal for investors, entrepreneurs, or anyone looking to repurpose a commercial space in a growing area.